Welcome back to DLM Campervans. Today we have a blue Ford Transit Connect with our mini T conversion. This also has the awning, has adaptive cruise control, which is a great safety feature that slows down if you have your cruise control for you and someone slows down in front of you. Also has blind spot indicators in the mirror, large reverse camera, heated leather seats, mid-vehicle overhead storage, shore power cord and plug, hitch with a 2,000-pound towing capacity. On the roof, you find solar, over-the-air antenna, and 10-speed reversible max air fan. Mini T camper vans are powered if you're plugged in. If you're not plugged in, everything else still works due to solar, driving, charging your dual house batteries. 2,000-watt inverter. It's in the bed position right now. Measures 43 by 72 inches. Get a refrigerator, sink, hand pump faucet, fresh water and gray water, and a microwave. Privacy is attained by the curtains in the front and the tint in the back. Under the couch, you have totes and a foldable portable toilet. A stove is also underneath there. Check out our full details on our website, dlm-distribution.com, or you can always give us a call, 651-285-7089 or 507-382-9446. Happy camping!